Hey, this is Kevin with All Star Medical, and this morning we want to show you the PR404 Imperial by Golden Technologies. This is one of their newest lift chairs. Some of the features that I really like about this is it has a full head power pillow. So to give you an example, I'm going to recline back. It's a one motor chair, so I can recline back, and then I can take and adjust this power pillow right here. This whole back top of the chair actually moves. So depending on if you have neck issues or anything like that, you can literally adjust that head pillow and set it to your position that you want. So if you're back here and you want to raise the head pillow up even more, all you have to do is click a button and it will adjust the pillow. It also has a lumbar support, which is a really nice feature if you have any kind of lower back pain. You probably won't be able to see or notice anything like that, but I'm pushing a lumbar and it raises you up. So it gives you really good support, a little relief on that lower back area. It's a nice feature. The chair also has lift assist technology. So it's a power recliner with lift assist technology. It's going to be able to lift you up to get you out of a chair, but it also gives you the comfort of a power recliner. So maybe you don't need the lift assist right now, you like all the other functions, you can do that with the PR404 Imperial by Golden Technologies. We have this in store here in Hermitage. We have 2 of them, so feel free to come try them out at All Star Medical, 615-730-9438.